Good evening, everyone. I'm Riley King, and welcome to my evening news report right here on the Riley King Network. Let's begin. Crews work to clear drains of snow ahead of rain. Flooding possible with heavy rain in forecast. With the weather warming up and rain on the way, state emergency officials are warning that flooding will be possible in New Hampshire this week. In Manchester, officials with the Department of Public Works said they are clearing catch basins in lower lying areas to try to prevent flooding. Heavy snow fell over the weekend and rain expected to develop overnight. We're attempting to be prepared for that, DPW Director Kevin Shepard said. We'll know tomorrow what's going to happen, but we're out there today preparing. The forecast is for possibly an inch of rain, and Shepard said that while that's a lot, it will be spread throughout the day. He said it's also helpful that the bitter cold of the past few days has moved on. Thankfully, we'll have the warm weather, so I think the water will be able to get into the catch basins, Shepard said. I don't think we'll see as much icing going on, but we have to make sure those basins are open for the water to get into. Crews were also out making sure the snow was pushed back on the roads and from the roads, which should help the water drain, Shepard said. He said the warmer weather has also loosened up the snow, making it easier for plows to push it back. And that does it for my evening news report right here on the Riley King Network. I hope you all have a great evening, and I'll see you back here tomorrow for another news report. Good night, everyone. Bye.